Alright, I am so excited. Our Scrapple project is done. So I wanted to kind of walk y'all through what we did and to see our finished product. So what we started with was a total of 26.69 pounds. This is including bones and everything. So this is just what we started with. And we went very traditional. We actually started with the whole pork head. So this was Edgar, as I referenced. I felt like I had to name him. So we roasted his head, kind of added some water to his roasting pan to steam and start our broth, which we were going to need later as well. Cooked down that head, picked the meat off of there, separated out the bones and any skin that we didn't want, kept the meat, set it aside. Then the next thing we did was took all of our organ meat and our hocks and our trotters, so the feet, all of that stuff, put it in a slow cooker, covered it with water, put our sage in there for flavoring, and we just basically cooked it down low. We braised it for a long time, made all of those organs really tender. Again, we got some really good broth out of that, so we kept the broth. Then we combined everything, ground it out, combined it into with our cornmeal and our corn flour and our buckwheat, and then we just cooked it down and added salt and pepper to taste. And what we ended up with was about 16 pounds of our Scrapple. So this is it. This is finished product. We got 10 loaf pans, which is awesome. These are cooling right now, so we're just letting them cool at room temperature, and then we can actually, once they're completely cooled, unmold them, slice them up, and cook them up. And Scrapple freezes really well. You can freeze it whole like this as a loaf, or you can pre-slice it and freeze the slices. And you just want to cook it up in a nice hot pan. The proper way to cook it, because it throws off moisture while you're cooking it, is to actually press it with your spatula a little bit, and you get the nice crispy coating on the outside. So yay, I'm super excited. I can't wait till we actually get to taste what we've made.